everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jafar Patel. Those are watching my video first time, subscribe my channel to get update your latest video. Today our topic based on organization behavior. Let's see today our topic what is whistleblowing and assuming you have own company. Would promote whistleblowing? If yes, and if why, and if no, then why? Whistleblowing: release of information by a member or former employee of an organization that is evidence or illegal and or immoral conduct in the organization or conduct in the organization. Whistleblowing can be only be done by a member in an organization, not a witness of a crime or a report. Define whistleblowing. Firstly, whistleblowing is something that can be done only by a member or former member of an organization. Secondly, it must be information that is not available for public. Thirdly, it should be an evidence of some significant kind of misconduct on the part of an organization. Fourth one is information must be outside normal channel of communication. Fifth one is release of information must be something that is done voluntarily as opposite to be being illegal required. Sixth one, whistleblowing must be undertaken as a moral protest. The motive must be correct, some wrong, not to seek guidelines or personal advancement. Here types of whistleblowing. First, there are two types: internal whistleblowing and external whistleblowing. Let's discuss internal whistleblowing. When an individual advocate believes or revelations within the organization. External whistleblowing: when an individual advocate believes or revelation outside the organization. Here condition for justify whistleblowing: situation of sufficient moral importance. If the situation of information is to disclosure people life at stake. For example, side effect of a drug or medicine. If not precedents in the cover of a medicine, and information is revealed to public by whistleblowers. Here situation when all facts of information are properly understood with their significance. A whistleblower must do not much documentation and other correction as possible because he or she is strong obedient to people. An employee should not jump into conclusion without much clarification. If signification of information is genuine, it could be justified. All internal channels have to utilized without a step short of whistleblowing. Whistleblowing should be last, not the first resort. It justified when there is no moral preferable alternative. Best way to blow the whistle. To whom the information is to be revealed. Agencies like Environment Protection Agency or exchange commissions can spark an investigation. Local investigation bodies, FBI or attorney. Whistleblowers Protection Act 2011, Act of the Parliament of India, which provide a mechanism to investigate alleged corruption and misuse of power by public servants, and also protect anyone who expose alleged wrongdoing in government bodies, projects and offices. Argument against the whistleblowers protection. First, law recognizes whistleblowing as a right is open to abuse. Employee might find an excuse to blow the whistle in order to cover up their own incompetency and adequate performance. Secondly, legalization to protect whistleblowers could add on right to employees and make an environment difficult for managers to run company effectively. Arguments for whistleblowers protection. Firstly, defense of the law protection whistleblower to provide best contribution to the society. Secondly, define of the law supports the organization of an employee on this freedom to speech. Benefits and dangers of company whistleblowing policies. First discuss let's benefits points, then next dangers points. Benefits points. Benefits in learning mistakes and problems in early stage itself. Second point of benefit shows companies commitment towards goods ethics and ethical corporate climate. Let's discuss dangerous points. First one, negative complaint sends wrong signal to other employees to whistleblowing in case of tension or strike. Second point of dangerous, employee may go outside of normal communication channel which is undescribable. Components of a whistleblowing policy: an effective communicated statement of responsibility. Second, a clear defined producer or reporting. Third one is well-trained personnel to receive and investigate reports. Fourth one is a commitment to take appropriate actions. Fifth one is guaranteed against relations reports in good faith. Blow the whistle one crime in your workplace. Be a part of the solution, not the problem. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you.